Hey everyone, welcome back to PMLearn. I am your host, and today we are breaking down one of the absolute foundational engines of Agile frameworks, Empirical Process Control in Scrum. If you have ever wondered why Scrum rejects rigid, massive upfront planning and instead thrives in chaotic, highly complex product fields, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Imagine trying to build a GPS app when the roads are constantly shifting. If you spent 6 months planning every exact turn in advance, your map would be obsolete before you even launched. That's why we use empirical process control. At its core, empiricism means making decisions based on real world observations and experiments rather than predictions. When you don't fully understand the problem or the solution, empiricism steps is as your navigation guide. So, how does empiricism actually function? It rests on three essential pillars, often called the Scrum Triad: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Think of it like checking your car's engine. Transparency means having the hood open so you can see everything. Inspection is examining the belts and filters to spot wear. Adaptation is fixing or replacing a worn part before it breaks on the highway. Let's look at how Scrum builds these three pillars directly into your daily workflow. Let's unpack pillar number 1, transparency. In a traditional step, status reports can sometimes make delays, but in Scrum, transparency demands that all aspects of the process are visible to everyone involved. This creates a high trust, open culture where we deal with facts rather than assumptions. So, hiding of risk allowed. How do we actually achieve this transparency? Through our artifacts and radiators. First, we have a clear project vision statement so everyone knows our ultimate destination. Next, an open prioritized product backlog allows any stakeholder to see exactly what features are planned next. The sprint backlog lists the daily work committed by the team, and information radiators like burndown chart or physical Scrum boards give a live visual representation of our exact process. Anyone walking by can see if we are on track. But transparency isn't just in our documents, it's woven into our meetings or what we call Scrum ceremonies. In sprint planning, the team explicitly commits to what they can realistically achieve. During the daily stand up, everyone states what they did, what they will do, and where they are stuck. At the sprint review, we demonstrate the actual working software openly to stakeholders. Finally, in the retrospective, the team has transparent, sometimes taught conversations about how to work better together. There are no secrets here. That brings us to pillar number 2, inspection. Inspection is all about evaluation, but be careful, this isn't about micromanaging or auditing the developer's horse. Scrum inspection focuses on the quality of the product increment and how well the process is working. In Scrum, inspection happens continuously through multiple touch points. Every single day, team members inspect the Scrum board to spot delays. During backlog refinement and planning, we collect stakeholder feedback to inspect if our requirements match their evolving needs. And most importantly, during the sprint review, the product owner and customer inspect the working deliverables to approve them. By inspecting so frequently, we ensure we need build the wrong things for more than a single sprint. Now, if you inspect something and find a problem but you don't change anything, you have wasted your time. That's why the third pillar is crucial: adaptation. Adaptation is our response to inspection. When our indicators show we have drifted off course, we pivot immediately. Let's look at how adaptation is built into the core loops of Scrum. In daily stand-ups, we adopt the day's plan if someone has an impediment. In risk and change management, we adopt our backlog when new technical changes arise. We leverage guidance from the Scrum guidance body to refine our task estimation practices, and during the retrospective we adopt our actual engineering practices or team agreements. We don't wait for a project to end to fix its inefficiencies. We adopt every single sprint. By learning on transparency, inspection and adaptation, Scrum teams confidently navigate high complexity and turn uncertainty into high valuable products. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these three pillars is the hardest to maintain in your current project? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to PMLearn and check out our website for more agile templates and deep dives. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep observing and keep learning.